Hi, Nebby Nebby. You got a little fan club going on today, huh? You got here Apollo / Romeo, and then mother daughter Kyla and Angel. You only got a little bit of that. She's such a patient girl. What's up, fatty? Oh, look at Home Tree. Look at this magnificent thing. Man, that's amazing. I'm blessed with a bunch of them. There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. I got 9, and there's another one there. That's a sweet gum. I got 9 of them surrounding the house, and a bunch of them out in the woods. Good stuff.